Gray hair, so many. Okay guys, today I'm doing my hair braids and it's just simple, easy, and everyone can do it. So first, I do like this. Take here and then take here, this side. So divide into 3 and like this. Okay, and then you take the other side, one more, add it. I only added at the one side. Guys, you already see it, and this one is no problem, you can hide it later, so we'll continue this one first. So at this point I'm gonna stop here and then I take my hair and divide into 2 and then another. So this is 4, guys, this is 2, look, 2, and then you take small piece, you bring here, and then here you take small piece, and you always continue ending with 2, and then you take small piece, look, take small piece and continue. Yeah, come on with the stove. Okay. The kids is go to the toilet. You can do salad. Yeah. So now I'm gonna to stop it and then I'm gonna to twist it. And then stop. And then take again your hair and divide into 3. So guys, easy peasy hairstyle that everyone can do it. Rubber band, of course. So guys, that is how it looks like. And you can create any other style wherever you like, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time, bye. And also pull out this one. I'm gonna set this with the spray. This one a little bit messed, but it's okay. Pull up some. You see my gray hair, so many. It's getting old. So okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Bye.